Cerave Hydrating Facial Cleanser, normal to dry skin. This is moisturizing non-foaming face wash. This is one of great skincare product. This keep our skin hydrated and moisturized until 24 hours. This daily face wash with hyaluronic acids, ceramides and glycerin to help hydrate skin without remove face makeup, dirt and any excess oil, and it provides 24-hour hydration and keep moisturized and non-greasy. This has hyaluronic acid and ceramides. Ceramides, it protect our skin from any type of barriers like eczema or itchy. Cerave all skincare product has fatty acids and lipids, which is good for our skin. Whenever we use cleanser, it really clean our face, like it take off our all makeup, dirt or any other stuff from our face. Whenever we wash our face with this cleanser, always we have to take a small amount, not too much, because if we use too much, then it will make our skin like dehydrate. This product is suitable for dry skin, sensitive skin, oily skin and any other skin. This is also fragrance free.